Ever since Lovells released their new GVM for the Next-Gen Ranger Raptor, every single owner has been asking us the same question. The Ranger Raptor definitely is a fun vehicle to drive. However, it does have limitations when it comes to its payload. When you start adding things like canopies, roof racks, any form of extra weight added to the vehicle, even in your passengers, these things don't have that capacity that you may need to get them to do what you want them to do. So what makes this GVM different to most other GVMs on the market from the factory? It comes with sports suspension. Now we've got Fox live valving set up on these vehicles. It is electronically controlled, and it's all controlled from a dial that's on the center console in the vehicle. This thing is actually super intelligent. They have a separate ECU which runs just your suspension. Now, judging on your type of driving style, it actually tunes that to how you drive and use the car. Now, Lovells was like, well, that's some pretty fancy stuff. We're gonna try and retain that, and they've done their engineering behind the system with their rated coils to basically keep the shock itself, but add a rated coil to then give you the payload that you're looking for the Raptor. So it's not pulling out all of your factory componentry, we're just enhancing what's already there to give you the GVM that you're looking for. GVM is going to increase what this vehicle can weigh legally. Now, what are you actually getting with this kit? Your GVM is going to go up from 3130 all the way up to 3550 with the Lovells system. You do get an increase in your axle load ratings, and your GCM actually goes up as well. Now, if you're thinking, what was that question that all of the Raptor owners are asking you, Brent? Does my brake toe capacity go up as well? And the simple answer is, it's a hard no. It's only a 2.5 ton tow capacity with the Raptor, and unfortunately, that's where it's going to stay. If you have one of these and you're wanting to tow or have one of those, you're in the absolute sweet spot for the Raptor. If you're just looking to upgrade your Ranger Raptor, then this is the actual kit for you. It's going to give you more capacity for bar work, canopies if you want to do that, water tanks, even extra fuel. It's going to get you that payload that you need to turn this into something that you can use on the daily. Now, if you're looking for a price on this particular kit for your Next-Gen Ranger Raptor, head to the description below. We'll put a link in there just for you guys. Don't forget, at BAW Automotive, we've almost been building four-wheel drives for 10 years now. So if you're looking to do something with your vehicle, make sure you give the team a call.